Today at Secret Super Chef, we have Cucumber Raita, a refreshing and healthy side dish that can be eaten as it is, or you can pair it with some dal chawal. This recipe is made with some homemade curd and some fresh cucumbers with some additional condiments. An ideal summer recipe that I'm sure will not disappoint you. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 1.5 cup of thick homemade fresh curd. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup milk. Now let's add 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon freshly roasted and grinded cumin powder. Using a small hand whisk everything together. All we want is a nice smooth consistency. Do not add a lot of milk as we do not want the consistency to be liquid. For best results, use hung curd. For this raita, I'm going to use 2 English cucumbers. These cucumbers do not need to be peeled, hence I'm using them, but you can use normal regular cucumber too. Let's grate the cucumber. Transfer the grated cucumber into a muslin cloth. We do not need the water as it will make the raita too liquidy. Muslin cloth really helps to extract the entire liquid from the cucumber. Do not throw this liquid. You can drink this cucumber juice or use it for your face pack or face mask. Transfer the grated cucumber into a prepared curd. For the quantity mentioned, I have used 2 cucumbers. If you like more, you can add accordingly. You can eat the raita as it is, but I'm going to temper it with little oil. To this oil, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Immediately pour the tempering over our curd. And give a quick stir. I like my raita to be little crunchy, so I'm adding some roasted cashew nuts. You can use peanuts too. You can also sprinkle some bundi and your amazing raita is ready. This raita is a dish in itself, so you can have it as it is, or you can pair it with some simple dal chawal, and it goes very well with biryani too. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like my recipes, do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.